Ever since the Industrial Revolution, a large scale of fossil fuel is being used for both personal as well as commercial purposes. The burning of petroleum, natural gas and coal has become a basic need to produce energy for transportation, from a simple process like cooking in homes to highly complex processes like making of petrochemicals. All are dependent on fossil fuels. However, this dependency also comes with a price, and that is the emission of gases like carbon dioxide, triggering the phenomena of global warming. Like every other dependency, freight traffic is also guzzling tons of diesel, consequently polluting towns and cities. Therefore, the presence of carbon dioxide by excessive burning of fossil fuels has significantly increased the temperature of the Earth. To solve this problem, many industrialists and organizations have been coming up with the ideas to reduce climate change to a minimum by altering the obsolete methods into innovative ones. We know that a large number of industries depend on non-renewable sources for transportation, and this needs to be changed. And that is how Germany has now come up with an eHighway that could just get rid of the excessive freight emission. A system of electric roads has been developed by Siemens, which is operating between the Frankfurt airport and the Darmstadt-Weiterstadt interchange in Germany. Combining the efficiency of electric rail with the flexibility of conventional road trucking, this system is named eHighway. The only 10-kilometer long yet innovative electric road system may seem like a little step, but it's just a start to achieving the bigger goal, and that is to completely diminish carbon emission by 2050. Here's how this system works. Electric mobility system includes hybrid trucks that draw power from a specifically designed two-pole contact line system. The overhead cables allow us to charge the batteries of the specially equipped hybrid trucks through the innovative conductor rods or pantographs. These conducting rods can connect and disconnect the transporting vehicle at any speed, within the range of 0 to 90 km per hour. Where does this energy come from? Well, these overhead contact lines are supplied with 100% renewable energy from substations, equipped with switchgear and transformer assembly, ensuring a constant and secure energy supply. These cables carry 670 volts of DC power, but only enough to drive the truck to 90 km per hour on battery power alone. The transmission of power from the overhead contact lines enables an optimal efficiency level of more than 80%. The trucks are able to exchange energy with one another via contact lines during the process of acceleration, going uphill and braking, and going downhill, making it a thoroughly advanced transport system. Trucks can also recover the braking energy and transfer it back to the grid, allowing the government to recover the loss of toll tax revenue. The trucks used in eHighways are hybrid in nature. It means there's no restriction on how you drive the truck. Switching lanes and overtaking stalled vehicles is as easy as a piece of cake. The trucks then connect to the overhead lines run on electric motors, and when they return to the traditional road, you can continue to drive the truck by drawing power from the battery or switch to internal combustion engines. This can all be done either manually or automatically. In terms of the lateral movement along the road, these hybrid trucks are no different than the traditional trucks, as the movable pantograph easily adjusts its position within the other lane. Hence, at the end of the eHighway, it makes it easier for the trucks to keep moving onto the remaining section of the road without limitations. So, for this fully convenient and easily functioned vehicle, you are probably not going to need any long manual on how to operate the truck. As these hybrid vehicles are developed for transport purposes, you would also want to know about its applications. The first one is the electrified shuttle transport. It's for sure an ideal way to shift the high-frequency shuttle transport over short and medium distances. The other application includes an electrified mine transport, which proves to be a connection between the mines and storage or any transit location. For a long-distance transport, eHighway transport serves a significant purpose in fighting the greater challenge by its decarbonizing effects. Unlike other traditional freight transportation, electrified transportation not only slashes the carbon emissions, but is also less oil demanding. According to the International Transport Forum, road transportation or just goods will account for 15% of the increase in carbon dioxide emissions globally. However, this global trend towards decarbonization can prove to be a bigger change with respect to climate change. Thus, the eHighway system is one of the ways to achieve climate goals, but it also comes with a lot of other benefits, like improved local air quality, increased energy efficiency at lower costs, and reduced dependency on fossil fuels. Siemens argues that the electrified system can be unified within existing roads, so there's no special need to change the whole infrastructure of the roads, making it a practical way to minimize emissions and energy consumptions while saving both time and money. It is estimated that a truck owner could save up to £20,000 $22,370 on fuel over 100,000 kilometers. While the German government spent £70 million, or in other words $77 million, to test and develop such an electric road system, the UK is now also planning to develop the eHighway system on about 7,000 kilometres of UK roads. It would require about £19.3 billion to electrify the UK's long-haul freight vehicles. The Siemens and truck manufacturers have taken an active part in this investment and have indicated to deliver the modified vehicles. Currently, they have sent numerous test trucks for demonstration purposes throughout Europe. For the time being, this is surely an impressive and remarkable technology. But yeah, there's always room for further development and growth, as there's a need to come up with such innovative yet environmentally friendly ideas.